Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Thornbury today. So we go through the charity shops and then we end up at the recycling centre. That lot, charity shops. Oh, that was charity shop as well. And then that little lot there from the recycling centre. So I'll put the camera on the tripod and tell you what's what. I'll do this the opposite way round to normal. Usually I do the charity shop stuff first and then the recycling centre, but we'll do it the other way round. First of all, we've got a set of 5 of those walking penguins. There should be 6. There's number 6. Number 5 is missing. Had a good search through the box where I found all of these, but I couldn't find number 5. Well then there's heading off the table. Grab him back again. So they all work. Just lay them all down for now. So we've got 5 working clockwork penguins. Little brass bell. Well, it's probably not real brass, in the shape of a, I think that's an old-fashioned fireman's helmet. I may be wrong. I seem to be collecting these at the moment for some reason. And then one of those wind-up torches. This one is clearly broken. Probably could force it together again. With a bit of work. The actual reason I picked it up was I was wondering if that gear might be the right size for one of the toys I'm trying to repair. So that was the real reason I picked it up. Nothing to do with it being a little torch. These have a couple of little batteries in there as well to keep them running. I'll just take that apart for bits, I think. Total price of the 5 penguins, the bell, and that cost me 50p. Right, now the no, not recycling. Now the charity shop stuff. I started off all right. Saw these. They're just the ones you slide your phone in the front there, so you can view it through here. Stick it on your head. This is sort of bottom of the range. There's no adjustment in the focus or anything. You can actually slide them side to side to adjust the width of your eyes, but that's it. DIS01KK, serial number B0 or BO3816. PNY. No idea how much they would be originally. I wouldn't normally buy anything like that, but I thought 99p. Yeah, we'll have them and see if we can find anything to do with them at a later date. Next thing I bought was this little fella. Oh, they took the label off it. think that was 50p. I think. Might have been £1. My grandson likes dinosaurs, and also this one's potentially posable for a bit of animation. So I might think about that. So that was, I think they were both the same shop. That looks like St. Peter's Hospice label there. Or no, that one might have been Break. Not that it's really important. Then this lot all came out of a new charity shop in Thornbury, which I've forgotten the name of. All various prices. I think that was 10p. Again, just sort of posable. I don't know if you're supposed to make anything out of it or whether it's just something to play with. Yeah, it won't make a cube. Not enough pieces. Still, yeah, something to play with. And the rest of this, oh, apart from that car, let's do that car. The rest of them appear to be Christmas decorations. Right, this thing, still with the box, although whether that's just the glue has deteriorated over the years or whether it's actually been out of the box. It's a wind up, it does say bump and go. And depending on which, if it hits something, it reverses. So we'll have a little demonstration of that in a minute. And there's a couple of levers in there that make this fellow rock side to side. You can probably just see that yellow lever in there. Do that again. And that's the one that makes him rock. So we'll have a look at that in a minute. Yeah, that works. And then the rest of this, as I say, looks like Christmas decorations. They're very dusty. Three of them are wind up. Let's see if they work. 50p. Struggling a bit. Yeah. Might work on a different surface, I suppose. How about him? Oh, he looks like one of those ones that hops. His eyes move around. Again, 50p. That doesn't feel like it's winding up. I'm sure he worked in the shop when I tried him. Might have to have another look at that then. There's no screws in it, so might have to force it apart. That's a shame. I'm sure that worked when I tried it in the shop. Okay, well, we'll have to have a look at that. That wasn't worth 50p if it doesn't work. Yeah, wind up car. It's one of those ones that's got a little lever that comes down and changes the direction. There we go. Yeah, it does change direction. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that little lever comes down, makes the car spin round. Motor goes round. That turn? I didn't notice. Did that turn? Yeah, it does. So that's detecting good and bad boys, isn't it? Or good and bad children. Might even see if we can take that one apart. Oh. Okay, this one doesn't work. I tried it in the shop. It's a pullback motor. You can see. Oh, maybe. No, there's a split. Camera probably won't pick it up. There's a split in that gear, so it's not gripping properly. That's a shame because his legs move. Yeah, that gear is not turning, it's slipping. So I'll have to take that one apart, so that wasn't worth 50p. I bought them because one of my daughters just loves Christmas toys. This one's simple enough. So that works. It's got some writing on there that's completely faded. Oh, something like Trapeze Santa. I can't make out the manufacturer's details. Made in Hong Kong. Raspberry & Co. Made in China. China. Made in China. And that leaves us with this one. I've had something similar before. It's got little music or sound effects in it. Yeah, great fun. It's actually a good little top, isn't it? And it's got a slot there, it says open. So I expect there's a replaceable battery in it. Right, camera pick that up. Little ball bearing in there, which when it spins fast enough pushes the plate, makes contact and sets it going. Yeah. So the batteries must be, yeah, a couple of LR44s or something in there. Let's put that back together and have a look at the batteries. Right, are you going to come out easily or are you going to be awkward? You know what's going to happen, little plastic bits are going to break, aren't they? Oh, they're odd sized batteries, very thin ones. L113. L1131. Alkaline cell. Yeah, okay, well it works, no need to replace the batteries anyway.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.